What's up guys, and welcome back to a new video here on the channel. Today we are back on Geniejackpot, and yeah, we're gonna try to spin in the bonus again. $80, no, 80 cents, $0.80 bet size. Gonna try to spin in the bonus here. Oh, we need something to pay today. What the fuck? Let's go. Gonna stop it on 69. Up the bet size to 120 and get back in. Because we're gonna get the bonus in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost. Never mind. But yeah guys, how's your day going? Let me know in the comments below what you've been up to, if you played any nice games or shit. We need to do something here. Unlucky, hello, can we do something? It's been like 20 dead spins. Please? Hello? Why isn't base game hitting anything? What the fuck is this? That was like 30 dead spins in a row. What the fuck? Actually insane. I think this is just a reskin, right? Of the original. Yeah, it is, I think. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, more trees, let's go. Nice, one more, no. I mean, that's fine, 14 spins. We can work with that, I think. Let's go, guys. 14 spins to do something. I think this is just a reskin, so we just need the sheriff shit. Nice. We just need a lot more of them. Ah, right, here we can get extra spins as well, I forgot. We need 2 more though. Nice. Kind of a bad position, but that's nice, that's really good. Now we get 2 extra spins, I think, or it spins or whatever. Yeah, 3 additional free spins, that's nice. And a multi-increase. Let's go. I don't think we're gonna get 3 more, probably not, but that would be sick. I mean, just getting a few more, 1 or 2 at the end there would make a lot of, would have a lot to say. Five spins left, let's go. That's actually pretty good. 27, not bad. How much is that? 31, let's go! Can we get more of them? That's probably like 20, 22. This is not a bad win. To be doghouse. I mean, if we could get like 1 more on the end there. We take it, 160, let's go. We're gonna go back to some spins here, I guess. Or we might actually just buy a $100 bonus to end off the video properly. Let's go, guys. Do drop a like down below if you enjoy these videos. And that way we can make more bigger bet size videos in the future. 3, 1, 2. That's a good start. Keep it going. 3, nice. Please, 3, no. 14 spins again. This could be good. This could be good. Very good, very nice. This is the last bonus for the video, guys. If you wanted to know, I guess. Early stars here. The other bonus started off like this, I think. So if it just starts doing something now, that would be nice. Of course, when we buy a $100 bonus, it's not gonna do anything. Holy fuck, that's terrible. Can we do something? Okay, 1 star. 2 stars, we need 1 more. Please give us 1 more. In the front here. In the front middle, let's go. Please. Nice. Now we get 3 more spins, a multi increase as well. And we need to get some crazy hits to get some money back. Let's go. I mean, I think this is money back as long as we get good symbols here. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. It's gonna be profits. And that's gonna be nice. How much is that? 46, 165 on the last one. And yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. We're ending the video with almost $300 balance, which is really nice. And yeah, hope you all have a nice day. And peace.
CryptoGamba.com, your gateway to the best crypto casino bonuses on the market. Unlock exclusive bonuses, rewards, and in-depth reviews of the top crypto casinos. Whether you're a seasoned player or just getting started, CryptoGamba.com is here to help you discover new and exciting crypto casinos. Explore the top brands, compare offers, and elevate your gaming experience with us. Join the revolution in crypto gambling today at CryptoGamba.com.